The HomeLink system in your 2019-2022 GMC Sierra allows you to control your garage door without a separate remote. Park your Sierra within range of the garage door. To start, clear any existing codes by pressing and holding the two outer HomeLink buttons until the indicator light blinks rapidly, about 20 seconds. Next, position your garage door remote 1 to 3 inches from the HomeLink buttons. Press and hold your chosen HomeLink button while simultaneously pressing the button on your garage door remote. Continue holding both until the HomeLink light blinks rapidly. This may take 10 to 90 seconds, depending on the garage door opener brand. Release both buttons and test by pressing the HomeLink button. For garage door openers with rolling codes, which are used in most modern systems, additional steps are required beyond basic programming. Rolling codes are security features that change the signal each time the opener is used, preventing unauthorized access. Most modern garage door openers employ this technology. After your initial programming attempt, locate the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener motor. This is typically found on the motor unit. Press this button. You'll usually have about 30 seconds to complete the next step before the opener times out. Return to your Sierra and firmly press and release the programmed HomeLink button for 2 seconds. Repeat this process up to 3 times until the garage door activates, confirming successful programming. If you still experience issues, check the remote's batteries and ensure no obstructions interfere with the signal. Compatibility problems can arise with older openers or specific brands. If problems persist, consider consulting your GMC dealer for professional reprogramming assistance.